I want to talk to you about this GE washer and dryer set. If you know, you know. So we have this whole set in our cabin. We love it so much. The dryer, you have an option of having a gas dryer versus electrical. That part is the washer and it is electrical. But here are the settings for the dryer. You hit start to dry, and here are the settings for the washer. And it's all just compact in one. And the best part about all of this, guys, is it washes so well. And when you select extra large, it will fill up to the very top with water, and it rinses very well. Like here, let me take this out. There's just no detergent left over. Super well washed. I'm gonna throw it in the dryer. I'll show you how the dryer is. Here's the dryer, and instead of having the lint right here, it is over here. Be sure to empty that. Here's how you empty it, remove it, throw all this out. You have these options. I go ahead and select 40 minutes, start, and it's nice and quiet too, especially if you close the door. What I forgot to mention, and really it's the best part, other than it washing and drying very well, is the fact that it's able to fit into small spaces. In our cabin, we don't have a lot of space for it, so I'm very happy with the fact that I'm able to fit it in that small space, and I'm not compromising on quality because I'm still getting an amazing wash, an amazing dry, all in this one compact set. That's just one unit. Love it. Definitely recommend.